If you're using Infusionsoft in your online business, then I have a very important message for you. Hi, my name is Chad Nicely, and I am the co-founder of an amazing new platform called Memberhub. Now, if you haven't already heard, Memberhub is the world's greatest membership platform. I know, bold statement, right? But I'll explain why in just a minute. But what you need to know is that Memberhub has been integrated with Infusionsoft. So I'm an Infusionsoft user myself, and I don't like the jumps and the hurdles you have to go through just to set up a simple membership site. And I certainly don't want it hosted on WordPress. I don't like having to set up the HTTP posts and everything that you have to do. So we took that by the horns and we simplified the whole entire process. You guys are going to absolutely love it, and I'm going to demonstrate that here in a minute. But here's why Memberhub is the world's greatest membership platform. And I don't take that lightly. I will put it up against any other membership platform out there. Now you need to know it's been in development for the last 2 years. And we've had beta testers using it every single day for the last 8 months. So once you create your membership site, the first thing you get to do is you get to choose a theme. And we have dozens of beautifully designed themes. And these themes are going to help you sell your product. They're going to help you become an authority figure. And your members are going to absolutely love them. Okay? Now, let's say that you chose your theme and you don't like the overall feel. Something about it just rubs you wrong. No problem, because with Memberhub, we have a built-in custom editor. So you can change out the color, change out the images, change out the elements. Very simply done. We even have predefined colors that match perfectly. So the takeaway, you'll be set up in a matter of minutes, because we don't want you messing with Photoshop. We don't want you having to outsource graphics. We don't want you wasting your time doing any of that stuff. Instead, we want to get you set up and show you that you can make profits with your membership site. Okay? So that all happens instantly. Now, once you're done with your themes, we call these master templates. Once we have your master templates, it's a matter of clicking a button and bringing in a video module, bringing in a content module, bringing in a freebie module. It really is that easy. It's going to take you about 10 seconds to create these modules. You simply click a button and you can bring in your videos from YouTube, Wistia, Dropbox, S3, Vimeo, anything you can think of. It happens that quick. And everything inside of Memberhub is based on a library status. So you have a video library, you have a resource library, you have a rewards library, testimonial library. There's tons of libraries. So you build up these libraries and then you just pull the elements in throughout Memberhub as you need them. Okay? So once you have gone and set up your core membership site, and it really is that easy, and you can drill down by category, subcategory, everything is here. Then the next thing is you're able to go and create external pages. So maybe you have a blog page, maybe you have an about me page, maybe you have a call to action page. You can bring in external URLs. You can iframe the content. You can use pages inside your membership. We've even got templates set up for you so that you can get set up instantly. Now, once you do that, Memberhub, this is where Infusionsoft comes in, has two options for you. Number one, you can create levels and you can bundle products together. Or number two, you can take an individual product and you can break that down by modules. So you have what are called levels and you have what are called packages. And it's here that we are bringing in your Infusionsoft tags. It happens instantly. You just click a button, we are integrated with Infusionsoft, and all your tags come in. And that's how fast you're able to go and fire off those tags inside of Infusionsoft. And not only that, we have it set up so that Memberhub will deliver your customers' access details for you. So we made it all very easy. But you know what? I'm just getting started. So clearly you see the benefit of being integrated with Infusionsoft. But guess what, guys? Memberhub is not only a membership platform, but it's an all-inclusive sales machine. Now, I want to make sure you're ready for this, okay? Because as you're creating your memberships and as you're creating your products, we are doing some real serious magic in the background. And every single time you create that membership and that product, we're actually creating a sales page for you based on the information you have provided. And we're linking that sales page to all of your memberships and all of your products. So as you bring members in, whether you do it for free or you do it for paid, they are going to be interested in the rest of your products. And when they click that tab that says, hey, check out my store, guess what, guys? We've already done all the work for you. So we know that you're going to be getting sales before you're even set up. And we've proven this with our beta testing group. Okay? So all of that happens automatically, but I have definitely saved the best for last. Because with Memberhub, we introduced the gamification module. And how this works is your members will be earning points and badges when they complete certain goals. And so you go and you set up this badge. It says, the King Boss badge. And when they receive that badge, then you can say, okay, you've done that. So now I'm going to open up this module for you, or I'm going to give you a $250 Amazon gift card, or whatever you want to do. It's tied to rewards, okay? So the gamification is massive, and that's going to keep people coming back to your site, and it's going to keep them working. So they receive points when they watch a video module, they receive points when they download a resource, they receive points when they leave you a testimonial, and then we're taking that testimonial, we're dropping the sales page. Guys, I'm sure you hear it in my voice, right? This has been my baby for the last 2 years. You guys are going to absolutely love Memberhub. So what I want to do is I want to head on over to my computer, and I want to show you Memberhub firsthand so you can see for yourself just how powerful this platform really is. And I'll be back in a minute. What you're seeing is the inside dashboard of Memberhub. Now, before we dive into Memberhub, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up Infusionsoft and show you how we go about setting the tags inside of Infusionsoft, in case you don't already know. Okay, so now you can see that I am logged into my dashboard, and I've got some reminders happening here and all kinds of stuff. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to this little drop-down menu, and we're going to come over here to CRM settings. And what I want to look for is I want to look for the tag categories. So I'm going to go ahead and click this button right here that says Add Tag Category. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create one called Memberhub. Okay, we can just say that this is membership levels, and we go ahead and save it. So now we have our category, and the next thing is we come over here to our tags. Now, one of the things you're about to discover with Memberhub is you can create what are called levels, and this is where you can assign a level to an individual product, or you can group multiple products together and you have one level. So you have a gold level that consists of this product, and this product, or you can take an individual product and you can break that down by a package. So at that point, you are assigning a package to the individual modules. I'm going to demonstrate all this here in just a couple minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a tag. I'm going to create one called AMZ. Okay, and this stands for AMZ Mastermind for me. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose my Memberhub category. Okay, I'm going to say Add Tag. I can put in a description if I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and do another one. I'm going to say Add Tag. And I'm going to go ahead and AMZ-F. Okay, and this means that the payment has failed. Okay, and we'll go ahead and choose Memberhub again. I've got 2 there, but that's fine. And we'll go ahead and say Add Tags. Now that's all we need to do inside of Infusionsoft. Okay, the tags have been applied. They're underneath this category. And as soon as we go and link our Infusionsoft to Memberhub, then it's going to pull all of our tags in. Okay, so this is really simple. It's not WordPress. You're not going to be firing off HTTP posts or doing any of the stuff that you're used to. Things have gotten to be pretty easy these days. So let's come back over here to Memberhub and let me show you what all we have going on here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and create a membership. So each one of these here are all different memberships. You can see I have people logging in the software and they're trying it out and testing different things. And so if we wanted to create a new membership, we would just come over here and we would click on Create Membership, and then you would go ahead and name your membership. You would put in your subdomain, and by the way, we have it all mapped with CNAME and everything, so you can use your own domain. You go ahead and put your membership title and your membership description. And then what you can do is you can override this image right here, okay? We'll talk more about the images here in a minute because it's brilliant what we're doing because we've made the whole entire process very easy for you. But for right now, I'm going to come back over here to the dashboard, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at one of the memberships I've already created. So I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to edit this membership right here. Now, what's happened is you'll see that I'm inside this one membership called Chad Members 2, and I've got all of these products here. Now, unlike WordPress, where you have to scroll through and look at the different pages, and you have hundreds and hundreds of pages, what you're able to do with Memberhub is you're able to come over here, and you're able to either view all the products like I have here, okay, or we can just look at one individual product. So now you see that the Amazon Mastermind product is the only one that has appeared. Now, this is the top level right here. This is the actual product itself, and if I want to create a new product, I come over here and I click this button. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you what was required to create this product. So if I click this here, you'll see when I created a new product, I just simply put in the title, I put in a description, I went ahead and chose an instructor. So you see that there's 2 instructors there. And then, guys, you're going to love this. What we do is we choose one image that represents our product, okay? So you see, here is my image right here. And I can go ahead and upload those from my computer. We have an image library. It's very simple, okay? Here is the dimensions right here. Now you're looking at that and you're saying, wow, those are big dimensions. And the reason why is because we're doing a lot with this image, okay? We're using it for your thumbnails. We're using it for your related modules. We're using it for your video placeholder. And then, not to let the cat out of the bag, we're also using that image on your sales page. Yes, you have a sales page that is automatically created inside of Memberhub. I'll show that to you here in just a minute. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and close this. I think you understand that this was the information required to make this product. Now, if I come over here and I click this little arrow, now I can see all of the modules inside this one product. And that's how easy this is. And if I want to create a new video module, watch this, guys. I'm going to come over here on the top level. I'm going to click this little video thing here. And what it's going to do is it's going to instantly, look how fast this is, instantly make a new video module down here. And so I would just go ahead and click this. And I would go ahead and say new video module. I could put in my description. And then if I want to override the image that we set here in the product, then yes, I can take things a step further and I can go ahead and pull in custom images for every single video thumbnail, for every related module, for every module you'll see in here. It's up to you how much work you want to put into it. But I will tell you, the goal with Memberhub is to get you set up as fast as you can without having to fool around with Photoshop or any of the designers or anything like that. We don't want you messing with thumbnails and having to work on your branding and your design. We don't want you doing that because it really doesn't matter when it comes to selling members and providing value. And the next thing is we want you making money with your memberships because that's the name of the game. If you're not making money with your memberships, then it's no fun, okay? So we'll talk about that here shortly as well, all right? So for right now, let's just go ahead and skip this, and that's how that works. Now, what do we need to do? Well, what we can do, most people are going to want to have a video module. So if we click this button here, you can see how I've already got my whole entire video library here. Everything inside of Memberhub is based on a library feature. So that means you build libraries. You build a video manager library. We have a resource library. We have a rewards library. We have an instructor library. So you build these libraries, and then you're able to pull those elements in throughout different parts of Memberhub. Okay, so if I want to add a new video to my library, I click this here, and we can go ahead and pull it in from YouTube. We can pull it in from Vimeo. We can pull it in from Wistia. We can pull it in from Amazon S3, Dropbox, or we have this generic video where you just have a title and a video embed code. Okay, but that's how easy it is. So if I just want to go ahead and put this video on this module here, then I'm just going to go ahead and say insert this video. And you can see how fast this happens. It's automatically went and placed that video on that specific module. So if I come over here and click this view button, you'll see here is what our membership looks like. Okay, so there's the video, here's related modules down here. We got all this monetization happening. We got gamification happening. We got our resources over here. We've got our store links up here, all our external links, guys. This stuff here is amazing, and I want you to watch the rest of this video because I am absolutely going to blow you away with what we're doing with Memberhub, okay? Now, something I didn't mention, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close this. Actually, let's take a look at this real quick, okay? Because it's beautiful. It's my favorite thing, but let's look at this, okay? This here has a really nice, clean look to it. But let's just say that you don't like this. Let's just say that you don't like the blues. Let's just say that you don't like the overall look, okay? Well, the first thing you would have done when you created your site is you would have went and chose a theme. Yes, we have themes. Just like WordPress, we come over here and we can click this little preview button. And what's going to happen is this little window here is going to show you what your site looks like. So here's one of our login pages. Here's one of our freebie pages. Here's one of our module pages. Here's what our video module page looks like. Here's what our sales page looks like. So you say, okay, that looks cool. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this, okay? That's how fast it happens. Even if you have an existing membership site already, you can go ahead and change out your whole entire thing. But guess what, guys? I'm just getting started, because now what I'm able to do is I'm able to customize this theme, and we've made it very easy for you. So you can go ahead and upload your own logo, but watch this. If we come over here to predefined colors, guys, we've already done all the work for you. So maybe you like these colors. Maybe you like these colors. See how nice these match? So you can very easily come over here, and what you're doing is you're creating your master templates. So if you say, okay, cool, I like these colors, and I can go ahead and click the Apply All button, and that's it. Now what we've done is we've created master pages for you to go and create your membership. So guys, we don't want you messing with blocks and tables and drag and drop interfaces, none of that stuff. Instead, we want to give you clean, high converting designs that you can go out there and be set up in a matter of minutes. And if we were live on a call or a webinar or up on stage, I would ask every single one of you how many people are excited and pumped up with what I'm showing you here on the screen. And I know that the room would go crazy, okay? Now, in addition to the predefined colors, if we want to go ahead and put a pattern as a background here, we can do that. We can change the background color. And then if we want to have like custom colors instead of using our predefined colors, then yes, you can come over here and you can make all the changes on those custom colors. And then each template, there may be an image over here, there may be a menu over here, has extra options. So when you open up the extra options, that's how you can go and change out your template. Okay, so I get to go through here and just click on each one of these pages, and I get to make these changes. Okay, so my colors have already been applied, but maybe I want to have the video up on top. Well, that's called an element. If we come over here, we click this, then we can go ahead and change out the layout for that one element. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. You're going to go through each one of these pages. You're going to make your changes how you see fit, okay? And then what happens is you have now saved these master pages. And so when we come back over here to where we created that product, where I just showed you a minute ago, now if I come over here and click the preview button, check this out, guys. The whole entire theme has been changed. And remember, these are our colors. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and show you really quick what all is included with this membership site. And there's probably so many things that I'm not even going to have time to cover, okay? So starting here, we went ahead and loaded our logo. We brought in our colors, okay? Now, this is just a preview for this one page. This isn't even what it looks like live yet, okay? Here are the video modules. This is the actual menus, okay? Down here, these are the amount of points that your customers or your members are actually earning, okay? So they come over here and they're able to earn badges, they complete goals. This is called gamification. We'll talk about this, okay? Then we have what are called monetization spots. So you're able to go and place banners, you place tickers, you can place pop-ups, you can do all kinds of stuff per page. So you can get very laser targeted with your monetization, okay? This here is the name of the module. This here is a description for the module. Here's where we pulled in the video. Notice how we use this image here, right? This looks very, very clean, very professional, but most of all, it was easy for you, okay? Now, we'll come back here. This is actually a goal that we set here just a minute ago, okay? But we'll talk about that here in a minute. But over here on the right-hand side, guys, this is our resource box. So right here, this is where our external URLs are happening. This URL here is pulled in from our resource library. I'm going to show you that, okay? Then the member can come over here and they can leave notes. Now, what's really cool about this is if I play this video, and let's just say that I mentioned something in the video. Well, what I can do is I can come over here and say, Chad mentioned marketplace. Okay, and as soon as I hit return, guys, what it does is it marks that point in the video, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So when I come back through here and look at my notes, I can go ahead and click on these notes.
Strategy.
And it will jump to that point in the video. Also, every single product has its own timeline, newsfeed, kind of like Facebook. So if I click this little plus here, that's going to open up the newsfeed. So as people get rewarded their badges or points, or they have questions or comments, then it will appear inside the newsfeed, okay? Pretty awesome stuff. And then if we come down here, you'll see that this is what's called a goal block, okay? So we're gonna talk about gamification, but what happens is this video here says, okay, what I want you to do is I want you to go and open up an Amazon account, okay? And once you do that, there's a goal block directly below this video, and I want you to go ahead and complete that Amazon account, put in your URL here, and when you do, you're going to earn so many points, okay? We can customize the look of this. We can bring in a video. There's all kinds of cool stuff we could do. Matter of fact, I don't really want to show this to you right now, so I'm going to come back over here just really quick, click on this little description thing here, and this is how fast this happens. I'm going to go ahead and delete out that goal block. I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes. Let's come back over here, and now let's look at this again, and the goal block is gone. Now what we have is we have the related modules that are also inside this product. And see how they all light up and everything, and they have the title here and everything? Here's what's brilliant, guys. You don't have to do any of this. You don't have to drag these in here. You don't have to set anything. You can turn them off if you want to. We give you complete control to turn off everything. But with this one image, you can see everything that we were able to do. And it looks beautiful. And the colors look beautiful. And you saw how fast we were able to actually create what you're seeing here on the screen. Now check this out. See where it says share your testimonial? Your members are over here and they're watching this and they love it and they're earning points every time they watch a video. They're earning points when they come over here and download the resources. If they come over here and they say, man, I absolutely love this. I'm making points. I'm building up rewards. They click this here, it says share their testimonial. And look, guys, they can write a written testimonial for you. They can submit a video testimonial. And look at this. You're going to issue them points when they do that, okay? So they're building up points because the reason why is because they're working towards badges. Now, why do they want to work towards badges? Well, because they can show the rest of the members that they have earned these badges, okay? It's a peer pressure situation. It's something that works very well, but guess what? It goes even further than that because remember what I said at the beginning of this video, you're able to go and create a reward library. So you might have different products. You might have bonus modules. You might have a $200 Amazon gift card. Heck, I don't know. You might be giving away a big screen TV if somebody reaches 10,000 points inside the membership. What gamification does is it keeps them pumped up. It keeps them coming in here. They keep logging in to see what they can do to make more points and earn more badges, okay? That's how Memberhub works. The gamification is unlike anything you guys have ever seen before. Now, if I come over here above the menu, you see this is going to take me back to the home. This is going to take me to support. This right here, I'm going to go ahead and click this. Once we log in, this is going to show them all the rest of the products that I have inside this one membership. So now, even if you're going out there and setting up a free membership, guys, they come over here and they click on this P and now they see your other products. And remember, we've already created the sales page and everything for you. So you're going to be making money with your membership site. You're not even sure where it came from, okay? This here is going to take you to the news feed, and then this is here is how they log out. And remember, with a click of a button, we can go and change out our whole entire theme. Okay, so that's how we do that. You just come over here and you just focus on one product at a time. Now, what I like to do, because I have all these products, whenever I get some downtime, I'll take out Camtasia, I'll shoot a simple little 5-minute video, and I'll come over here and I'll open up my resources and I'll just click on this here and I'll go ahead and pull in my video from YouTube or Wistia or Vimeo, Dropbox, whatever it is. And now I have new content that the members can actually see and they can start working towards with their points and their badges and everything else, okay? It's awesome. So now that you know this is how you go and create all of your products, okay? Remember, this is just inside of one membership. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to set our levels and our packages. So remember, I told you that a level is based on the product level. So you might have a gold level, and the gold level might consist of product A, product B, product C, or you may have a package which takes an individual product, just like this, and it breaks it down. So now you have different modules inside that one product, and you're able to set different permissions, and you're able to sell those packages automatically on your sales page, okay? So how does this work? Well, we come over here and we're going to create these levels for specific products, okay? So I have this level here called Amazon Mastermind, and I'll go ahead and show you how we created that, okay? So I'll go ahead and click this. Okay, so all we had to do was come up with the level name. We put the contents that are included in this level. So as you can see, this is the Amazon training modules, resources, and files. Everything is updating over here. This is what's going to show up on your sales page. And then we go ahead and put in a level description. Okay, we can set a trial period if we want. But the next thing we want to do is want to come over here and choose our payment options. As you can see, we have them all. JVZoo, PayPal, One Shopping Cart, Stripe, ClickBank, Infusionsoft, Authorize.net, Zaxa, or you can have free access. And then once you've set up your payment method, guys, The next thing is Memberhub is a complete affiliate program. So now you can set your percentage for a price share, or you can set your percentage down here. And now your members can go out there and promote your sales pages as an affiliate, and they can make commissions as well. So it's a win-win situation. So as you can see, Memberhub is an all-inclusive sales machine. Now, since you are an Infusionsoft user, let's come back over here to our level setup. Now, you'll notice there's this little box here, and I built this for myself as well as you, because you're an Infusionsoft user. And if you click this, what happens is it pulls in all of my tags inside of Infusionsoft, okay? So all we have to do is go and choose the tags that we just created. So here's my AMZ for the buyer tag, and then if I come over here, I can go ahead and choose my payment failed tag, which is this right here. Now what happens is these tags here are associated with this level name right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click save. And now that level actually has Infusionsoft tags assigned to it. So here are those numbers of the tags right here. So now we're going to come back over here to our pages, and we're going to come over here to this one product. And now we're going to click on this little lock here. And instead of just having the general levels tab, if we click on this Infusionsoft one, now we're able to go and choose the Amazon Mastermind, which has the Infusionsoft tags behind it. Okay, so we go ahead and click save, and that's how you're going to go and actually assign access to your users using Infusionsoft. So they will get an email with access details and everything else, but you guys already know that once you fire off that tag, there's so many other things you can do. You can put them in a series, you can put them in a survey, you can put them in a webinar. We know the power of Infusionsoft, and I'm not here to teach you that. I'm just here to teach you how we were able to pull in those tags to our membership software, okay? So for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and click cancel because I don't need to do that here, okay? So I think you guys understand how Infusionsoft plays into this software, but now let's dive back into Memberhub. So we created our member pages, we have our levels and our packages. Now we come over here to other pages. This is where we go and we have your news feed, you have your about me page, you have your support page. So if you go ahead and edit this here, you'll see that you go ahead and just put in your details here and we create the support page for you. So you can go ahead and put in your name, you can load your image, a description, you can do whatever you want to do. Or you can just go and create your own support page. You don't have to use the template that we've provided, but you got an about me page, a my products page, a store page, and then I just have some privacy policy terms and conditions. And then if I come over here and click on this, you'll see that I've got some options here. So what I'm doing is I'm actually pulling in an external URL here for this one. And then if I come over to this one, I'm actually pulling in an iframe. Okay, so this is using a secure site, and then we can go ahead and pull in my site as an iframe. Okay, this is all very, very simple, not complicated at all. But now let's get to the real nitty gritty, guys. If I come over here to step 6, check this out. What we've done for every single membership you've created, for every single product you've created, we've gone and created a sales page. Okay, so with your sales page, guys, if I come over here and click the view button, you can see exactly what that sales page looks like, okay? So we've gone ahead and pulled in the image for you. We pulled in the description, and then down here, we pulled in your different levels that you have set up. Or if you have individual products, we're gonna pull in those as well, okay? So all of this happens automatically. So you're gonna be getting sales as soon as you get people in your membership site because they're gonna bond with you, they're gonna love you, they're gonna click on My Products tab, and they're gonna see what else you have, okay? But if you want to take things to the next level, you click this here and you're able to go and put in your own videos, you can put in your own images, you can type up descriptions, you can do whatever you want to do. So you can really beef up your sales page. Now, when you start getting sales, guys, you're going to say, wow, if I put a little bit of extra effort towards this, then I could really make some decent money. And so at that point, if you don't want to use our sales page anymore, even though we know it's going to work, you can go ahead and put in your external URL and we'll link it throughout the whole entire site. So you might have Profit Builder, you might have InstaBuilder, you might have ClickFunnels, you might have Lead Pages, whatever you have, you can go ahead and put in your own external URL here. Also, just a quick note, if we click this here, this is where we're able to bring in testimonials. So we have testimonials that are taking place from the members. We're building them up here in the library, and now we can go ahead and assign them to the actual sales page. Okay, this here is a quote block. So you have a quote on the top of your sales page, And then we already covered this. And then if you want to stop this product from showing up on the sales page, you can deactivate it. Or if you want to stop this product from showing up in the store, maybe it's like a special product or something like that, you can go ahead and deactivate that as well, okay? So if I go ahead and click the view button, you can kind of get an idea what these pages look like, okay? And if there was products inside of there, let's come over here and click on the actual membership level so you can see what this looks like, right? So if I open this up, here's a different sales page. Down here, here's all the products that are included inside my membership. Okay, so they come over here, they click the Learn More button, and we're going to redirect them to your sales page, guys. Okay, so if I come back in here, there's actually a lot more that we can do. We can come back over here to the theme settings, and just like we did when we created the actual master templates, we can go and customize our whole entire sales page. So if we want to come over here and load a different photo, we can just go ahead and do that. We can bring it in from our computer, or we can bring it in from the library we have here. So if I say this here, and I'll go ahead and cover and stretch, I say insert. Okay, there is the photo I just loaded, and then I can click this here, and I can just go ahead and hold the shift key, and I can reposition things. Okay, so if I have an image that has like the beach or something, we can go ahead and reposition it. Here's the quote right here. If we want to change the colors, we can go ahead and change the colors, okay? Everything is just stupid simple, all right? So this is what the membership page looks like. Here's where we have our quotes down here at the bottom, all right? All this is created for you instantly, but maybe you're looking at this, you're saying, you know what? I don't really like this template here. No problem. See these little green boxes here? If we click these here, now you're able to go and choose a different sales page. So maybe you want to apply this one right here. So if I click that, then the whole entire sales page is going to change out, but maybe we don't like the purple. No problem. Let's go ahead and change that. And then we can go through here and we can go ahead and load our videos. We can do everything that you would expect, okay? All of this happens instantly, guys. And I'm telling you right now that if you bring members into your membership, you most certainly will make money with this system, okay? So, pretty powerful system, right? Now, if we come over here to system settings, I'm just going to run through this really quick. We've got this setting set up to where when somebody logs in, you can either take them to your My Products page or you can land them directly on the module page. So that allows you to overwrite the default landing pages. Here's where you can go and map your CNAME. Here's where you can set up if you want to have comments or not, or social media. Here's your SMTP settings that all deals with email. If I click on language settings, I can pretty much override any template that's inside the program. So if there's language you don't like or something, if you want to change out the emails, it's all very simple. Nothing is complicated about this. This platform was made to be stupid simple. Come over here to page settings. We can go ahead and turn off some of the items that are on the menus, or if we want to enable SSL mode. Here's the affiliate program settings. So if you want to set your affiliate program, you could do that. But now, if we come over here to optional settings, guys, watch this. The first one I'm going to start with is Manage Resource, okay? So I'm going to click Manage Resource, and this here is our resource library. So you can come over here, you can add as many resources as you want. You put in your name, description. It's either going to be a downloadable content, external URL, or it's just going to be a note. And then what you're able to do is you're actually able to come over here and you're able to link that resource to your individual modules. So this one resource might pertain to several different modules. That's how fast you do that. And then what we're doing, let me go back into Memberhub here. And then what we are doing is we are placing those resources on these pages right here. So if I click the view button, you'll see here's the resource box over here. And if I open this up, that's where the resource goes. But you can also drop a resource box directly below the videos, directly below your content, whatever you want to do, okay? Everything is here, guys, but it's very easy to use, okay? So that's how the resource library works. And if I come back in here, let's see what else we have. We also have our Manage Instructors library. So you can go and load as many instructors as you want, and then you pull in these instructors to the individual products. If we come over here, we can go ahead and load up our rewards. So you see I got a $5 off coupon for Groupon. I got a $200 Amazon gift card. I got one of my courses here, okay, and it shows the type. It's an external URL, or maybe it's just a note, whatever it is, okay? That's how we go, and we just load all of these rewards here, okay? Then we come over here, and these are our testimonials library. So your testimonials will automatically come in here from your members. So you can come over here and you can reject them, you can edit them, whatever you want to do. But remember, we're going to use your testimonials inside your sales page. Okay, so if you want to come over here and add one manually, you can go ahead and do that. All right. But now let's get to the best part of all when it comes to Memberhub. It's the gamification, okay? This is where they get points and they get badges. So what we do is we have two types of badges, okay? We have a points badge. That's where they'll get issued that badge when they hit so many points. And then we have what's called a task badge. So you come over here, you create your badge, you decide what type of badge it is, and then you can go and you can assign a reward to that badge, okay? So once you do that, the next thing is you want to come over here and you want to set up a goal. So this here is my existing goal. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you this for the sake of this video. So here is my title. Here is the description. If I want, I can go ahead and assign a video to this goal. I can put a create user input field there, and then I have to decide, do I want to go and issue them points? So I would go ahead and set my points here, or do I want to issue them a task badge? So if I pull this down, I can say, okay, when they complete this goal, they're going to receive the Amazon store badge. Now, if I have a $10,000 mastermind, guys, I'm going to ask you the question, is it worth actually reviewing their goals before you go and issue that badge? Absolutely it is. So this is perfect for coaches or people that run high-ticket masterminds. So what you're able to do is you're able to come over here and click Need Manual Review. And what happens is that will actually go under Pending Goals, and then it's up to you if you want to approve them and move them to the next level. Now that you understand how this works, let's come over here to automation. Okay, so here's where the point badges are. So we can say, okay, when we hit 200 points, I want to go and issue this badge right here. Remember, this is only going to be a points badge. We already created this. And now what we're able to do is we're able to say, okay, when they finish watching the video, let's give them 20 points. When they download a resource, let's give them 5. When they make a comment, let's give them 10. When they like something, let's give them 10. If they submit a video testimonial, let's give them 30. If they give us a written testimonial, let's give them 20. So as you can see, they are rewarded points as they're going through your site, okay? So the gamification is massive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in here through the front end really quick, and I'm gonna show you what the actual member sees. Okay, so I'm logged in. It took me right here to this video module. Remember, that is a default setting that I have set. But let's just say that I'm a customer, okay? This is what I see. So I can just come over here and I can click on these different modules. And you can see how fast this loads, guys. This system here is extremely fast. But I can come over here and now I can click on these because, see, I'm logged in as a customer right now. And so I say, wow, look at all these other products here, okay? So I say, all right, man, I have access to this one. I click this here. Not exactly. You don't have access to that. It says your user rights do not allow you to access this content. Upgrade to access this content. And guess what happens when we click the upgrade button, guys? We are going to take them to your sales page, okay? That's how that works. That's how you're going to get paid. Okay, so you are seeing firsthand the membership that we went and created. Now, one membership has all these different products inside of it. And remember, for you Infusionsoft users, this is perfect because now you are able to pull those tags in and you're able to assign them automatically. All right, this is like a dream come true. I just know that you guys are going to love Memberhub, and I would appreciate if you could leave comments down below. Make sure you get on our list. Make sure you get connected with us because you definitely are going to want to get your hands on this platform right here. And guys, I didn't even cover any of this stuff up here with the affiliates dashboard, the integrations, all that stuff here. I'll just kind of show you really quick. We're integrated with all the top autoresponders, GoToWebinar, Webinar Geo, file hosting, Amazon S3. We're integrated with Usign, all the payment gateways, SMTP details. And then if you look down here, we're integrated with Infusionsoft as well as SpinWriter. So if you click this here, all you need to do is go ahead and put in your application, just the first part, and then you put in your API key and you save the token, and boom, we pull in your tags for you. We handle delivery. There's no HTTP posts. There's no creating pay failure tags. There's none of the hoops that you guys have to go through. Everything is done for you. This is an all-inclusive solution. All your payment providers are set up. You have a built-in affiliate platform. We're creating the sales pages for you. You create as many products as you want. And guys, I'm here to tell you I'm an Infusionsoft user myself. We'll put you inside of a group and you can work with us and tell us what you would like to see, because there's 3 more phases after this initial launch right now. what did I tell you, right? Are you excited or what? Have we not been waiting for this? And it's one of those things where there was nothing out there that did what we needed it to do. So we said, you know what? We're just going to create our own online solution. Now, what you need to know is we've been creating products for about the last 12 years. We're not new to this at all. We have created several blockbuster products. We're very familiar with the launch spaces and everything else. So you're in good hands. And we also provide the best support in the industry. But more importantly, you're going to be part of a group where we're going to listen to you. If you have ideas and the rest of the members can benefit, then we definitely are going to implement those ideas because we care about your success, okay? So you are definitely in good hands. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and click the link below this video to find out more about Memberhub, okay? This here, guys, is going to take your business to the next level. And on that note, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you're pumped up, and if you are, please let me know, and I want to wish you all the best. I'll see you on the inside. Take care.